In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do grams to grams stoichiometry easily. Ammonia reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen monoxide and water according to the balanced chemical equation. If you start with 50 grams of ammonia, how many grams of nitrogen monoxide will be produced? Step 1, convert the given mass to moles. And the given mass is 50 grams of ammonia. So we have 50 grams NH3. To convert this to moles, we need the molar mass of ammonia. So nitrogen is 14.01. We have just one of that nitrogen. Hydrogen is 3 times 1.008, which is going to give us 3.024. So if we add this and this up, that will give me 17.034 grams per mole as the molar mass of ammonia. So I want the moles multiplied by the 1 mole, this mole here, okay? Multiply by that, divide by the grams, 17.034 grams ammonia. The reason we do this is so that these two can easily cancel out and you now have the moles of ammonia. Step 2, convert this mole ammonia to moles of the unknown, the nitrogen monoxide, okay? And to do that, we need the mole ratios in the balanced equation. We have 4 moles of ammonia against 4 moles of NO. The 4 moles of NO would be on top, and the 4 moles of ammonia will be placed as the denominator. Reason is we want these two to cancel out, so they must be on opposite direction. Next step, we go from the 4 moles of nitrogen monoxide to grams of nitrogen monoxide. And to do that, you need the molar mass of nitrogen monoxide, which is going to be 14.01 of nitrogen plus 16 grams of oxygen. When you add these two up, it gives us 30.01 grams per mole. Since what we are trying to find is grams, the gram stays on top this time, okay? While the moles be down here. And remember, this is nitrogen monoxide. The moles will then cancel out since they're on opposite side, and we have the grams of nitrogen monoxide that we need. So at this point, we're going to just go ahead and multiply and divide. So you have 50 times 4 times 30.01 divided by 17.034 times 4. That would then give us 88.1 grams of nitrogen monoxide. And that is our final answer. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. See you in my next video.